Hello and welcome to this brief overview video of push sale option in Mark software. For the most advantageous inventory management, Mark has launched a new feature, push sale. Push sale option helps in controlling dump and near expiry items and helps in doing sale of dump and near expiry products. This whole thing is the inventory. Now in this inventory, 40% consists of dump and near expiry stock, and the rest are profit potential stock. Means those stock on whose sale we can earn good profit. Now 40% of this profit potential stock starts to get affected by dump and near expiry stock, because the revenue that we are making from this stock is getting incurred in the maintenance of this dump and near expiry stock, and that's why 40% of profit potential stock starts to get affected. The rest 20% becomes the net profit, and that 20% is used to run the business. Suppose you deal in 15,000 items or products, and in control room you set certain filters to promote only 5 to 6 products on the dashboard. So according to what you set in control room, this is how the software works and promotes those list of dump and near expiry products on dashboard. So what the software does is, every morning it will filter all the dump stock which are not sold in suppose 60 days, which you have defined in control room. Suppose it filters approximately 5,000 items. After generating dump list, it will filter for items whose cost is more than 100 rupees. Now only 3,000 items will remain. Out of 3,000 items, it will filter top 500 items for today and will not repeat it for the next 3 days. Now you have only 500 items to promote today. Then while billing, when you select a party, software will check that party's transaction from these 500 items. From those 500 items, the software will pick only items which have not been purchased by the party since the last defined days. Now only 50 items will remain. Now from these 50 items, software will pick those items which have not been purchased since 3 days. Then only 30 items will remain. Now software will check the profit margin with that party. If it is less than 3%, software will deduct those products to promote. Now software will show you top 5 items first to promote. When you sell any one of them, next item will come out automatically. So in this way, slowly dump stock will get sold out, and within maximum 3 months or 4 months, all the dump stock and near expiry stock will get sold out. Push sale displays a list of vital items at the side of billing screen of the operator. It recognizes some unique types of products while billing. These noteworthy items include focused items, means those items which the distributor, supplier, retailer or any businessman targets for sale due to their high demand or potential profit margin. Next are dump items. Dump items are commodities that are very slow selling, means those items which have not been sold since a very long time. And near expiry items, means products that are nearing their expiry dates. In this video, we will briefly understand how does the software filter and pick these dump and near expiry items and display them at the side of the billing screen, that is at the dashboard. Before that, let us understand what is the need of this option and why is it developed. We conducted a survey from some of our customers' data, which revealed that more than 30% stock become dump stock, that is stock which was purchased a lot of days back and still are remaining unsold. And nearly 5 to 10% stock become near expiry. Now how does dump stock causes loss? Now suppose there is an item on whose sale we can receive 10% profit margin. Now if we purchase this item 2 months back from its company and that item is still available with us remaining unsold, so that item will become dump item. Now we have to do payment for that item's maintenance in terms of rent of that godown where that item is stored, electricity charges, expenses associated with moving and handling that item, etc. till the time it is remaining unsold with us. Now even if the distributor sells this dump item after 2 to 3 months, then the normal selling expenses will be incurred in the sale of this dump item. like sales staff commissions, sales staff's business related expenses like money spent on traveling expenses, delivery cost, etc. So if we calculate all this, then approximately 1 to 1.50% payment is done from the distributor side. Now after incurring 1 to 1.50% expense, if we get 5% margin from it, then out of that 5% margin, we'll have to offer 1 to 2% discount to the party. And then 1% goes to the bank as interest. And then finally 3% margin will remain with us. So this will in fact become loss. Means we were supposed to get 10% profit margin from this item's sale if it wouldn't become dump. But because of this item remaining unsold, we incurred purchased cost on it plus maintenance cost plus order taking cost plus selling cost. And then when we compare the total expenses with the money received against the sale of this product, then we realize that it is a loss. These dump and near expiry products start to operate 2% loss in the business. And the only way to avoid this loss is to remove these products as soon as possible, preferably by selling them or by avoiding them to become dump and near expiry. So let's illustrate this in a diagram. We see that the distributors do good billing, do good management, but then too that much profit is not earned. That profit is affected due to this reason. Because if we are making 70% profit, then 30% is loss. And the distributors don't have any idea of this loss. So push sale helps you in minimizing this 30% loss into 0%. Due to items remaining unsold, they become near expiry, then distributor sends the item back to the company. The company refunds only 50% or 40% from the actual purchase amount. Then we realize that we are getting profit of 4% and the loss is 20%. So to manage these great losses and problems, we have developed push sale. Now let's understand how does push sale work. Some parties' data is less, means they only have a few number of items created in their software. Some parties' data is more, means they have thousands of items created in their software. So it's not possible that the software displays all the dump and near expiry items on the dashboard at once. Like let's say a supplier deals in 10 to 15,000 products. Out of those 10 to 15,000 products, 5,000 products are dump and near expiry. So what he does is, he generates a list of all those 5,000 products and hands it to his operator and tells them to promote it for sale. But practically is it possible for the operator to keep suggesting all those 5,000 products to all the customers to purchase those products? This is only possible when the software tells you that which item should you promote to which customer. In Mark control room, when you search for push sale, then you'll find there are some formulas which you can customize and get a proper and minimized list of push sale which will be different for different customers as per their purchase history. So let's see how this works. Those items in which your customer deals in, and if those items are becoming dump or near expiry and that item your customer used to purchase from you but is not purchasing since a while, so those items are displayed by the software on the side of the billing screen. Now simply the operator will click on an item and load it in the bill. The owner can generate a report which will show which operator has sold how many dump items, how many near expiry items and how many focused items. Then accordingly the owner can pay commission to the operators as reward. So friends, push sale is the ultimate solution to profit earning for your business. Push sale is a dump stock killer, near expiry stock killer and business loss killer. To learn about push sale option in detail, you can go through our tutorial push sale detailed. Thanks for watching.